In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to export in 4K in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro. So first is that we would need to make our settings in 4K first before we'd be able to export it in 4K. So to do that, you need to click here on Sequence on the top left and click here on Sequence Settings. In here, you want to navigate into the frame size. So you would want to set this into 4K. So the 4K resolution is 3840 by 2160. And then you'll now be able to see it right here. It's 16 by 9. So that is a horizontal frame size of 4K. Now in here, you want to click on OK and click on OK again, and it will now adjust. And then once you have adjusted your sequence settings, you are now ready to export once you are now satisfied with your work. So just click here on File and go here into Export and go into Media. And now from here, you'll now be able to choose the file name and then the location of where you'd want it to be saved in your device. And then the preset here is very important. You want to make sure that you select match source. So you want to go for high bitrate for the maximum quality. And then the format is H.264. And then you want to go into video. In here is that you want to make sure that it's match source. You have the same visuals as I did right here. And then go here into more. And then you would want to check the render at maximum depth and then use maximum render quality so that you'd be able to get the maximum quality. And then next is that you want to go here into the bitrate settings. So you want to make sure that you select VBR1 pass and then you set your bitrate into 68. So these are the recommended settings that I have right here. And then once you are all done, you may now click here on export or send to media encoder for exporting it in the media encoder if you'd want to. So yeah, that's it on how you'd be able to export your 4K video in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.